I'm the only surviving relative of my grandparents, and we were so young ourselves. We were both just starting our careers and deciding what we wanted to do with our lives, and we just needed some help because my grandparents are in poor health and just needed a lot of support themselves, more than we seem to be able to provide.
We didn't really understand their needs very well, being our age and having the generation gap that's there. So I reached out to some resources and eventually came across the Kimber Law Firm, and they made a huge difference for us. It was realizing that we couldn't really understand their needs at our age and needing some expert advice and guidance. One of the most important services that they provided, especially at first, was to assist us through the VA aid in attendance application, and we successfully received the aid in attendance pension for Michael's grandfather, Charles, and it has just made a huge difference in our ability to to obtain the care that they require, be able to afford the type of care that they require at this stage in their lives. And then aside from that, the Kimber Law Firm has provided a number of really, really valuable services, ranging from medical forms and legal forms and legal documents that were so essential. They even rushed some of these documents when Charles was in the hospital, and we needed to get his kind of legal affairs in order, and particularly the advance directive and medical power of attorney and things like that we needed immediately, and they really took care of us.
Between all the hospital visits, like she said, getting all of the paperwork in order, getting the medical powers of attorney in order was so important. And then with all those hospitalizations, if we hadn't had the aid in attendance, then we would have just been absolutely sunk.